All right, hello. This is my oral presentation number 4, and it is incredibly scuffed right now because I'm trying to do it in my car because all the normal places that I do it are full of people right now. So just bear with me here while I try to do this. I'm explaining the problem. Write sine, oh, it's not focusing. Write sine, arc sine 2x minus arc cos x as a algebraic expression. So we can start by rewriting it as sine arctan 2x right there times cosine arc cos x, basically. And then on the right side we can do minus cosine arctan 2x. That's a really awful 2x. Give me a second. 2x sine arc cosine x. So I know it's very bad. Just give me a second. So basically what we want to do is use the Pythagorean theorem on both of these to find the third side of a right triangle. So if I draw a right triangle, do like that, we can rewrite the part of this sine right here as tan x equals 2x over 1, which basically is, SOHCAHTOA. It's going to be opposite and adjacent, 2x over 1. And then we can do Pythagorean theorem for 1 plus 2x to the second, or sorry, not to the second, just 2x to the second equals c to the second. 1 plus 4x to the second equals c to the second, and then it pretty much just equals c equals plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4x to the second. So it's a right triangle, so it's going to be positive. So we're going to do square root of 1 plus 4x to the second. And then we can do that for the second one right here, arc cos x, which we can simplify to cos x equals x over 1, again, SOHCAHTOA, right triangle. It's going to be x over 1, adjacent over hypotenuse. And we're trying to find this right here. So, Pythagorean theorem, we do x to the second, like that, plus b to the second equals 1 to the second. And that's pretty much just b to the second equals 1 minus x to the second. B to the second, like that, which is pretty much just b equals plus or minus square root of 1 minus x to the second, which can, of course, just be positive because it's a right triangle. That means that this right here is 1 minus x to the second. So now that we have that value and that value, we can figure out these two right here after the negative sign. And so that will be, for the first, I don't have any space, I'm just going to write it right here. Arctan 2x, that would be 1 over, oh, my pen's running out, the square root of 1 plus, God, give me a second, 1 over square root of 1 plus 4x to the second. And then the second one, arc cos, would be from the second triangle, and that would be 1 minus x to the second over 1. So now we have the 4 values that we need for the whole problem. We can rewrite that as pretty much just, we use the values from the triangle. So it would be 2x from the opposite over square root of 1 plus 4x to the second, since it is sine, times x over 1. And then, of course, the negative sign in the middle because the negative sign up there. and then the two values we just got, which is 1 over 1 plus 4x to the second times the square root of 1 minus 2x over 1. And now those just cancel out just like that. And then since this is multiplied by x, 2x just times x, so that would be 2x to the second. So that's easy, over square root of 1 plus 4x to the second minus square root of 1 minus 2x over square root of 1 plus 4x to the second. And they have the same denominator since we're subtracting, so that means we can just do 2x to the second minus square root of 1 minus 2x over the square root of 1 plus 4x to the second. It should be like that. And that's our answer right there. That's a simplified version. So, all right, thanks for bearing with me. Hopefully it appeared okay on the camera. I'm trying to hold up my phone and write at the same time because I couldn't figure out where to mount it. But yeah.